Alright, what is going on? We're recording a Motovlog. We got a cool video for today. I got all my homies pulling up to the park. My friend Dante is about to shoot us some content of us. Yeah, we got about 3-4 bikes. Well, one Ruckus, 3 bikes. An E36, not an M3, a 3 series. Still cool as heck though. It's been a while. It's been a while. Yeah! Today, I'm so hyped for this video. Getting all the homies. The homies is pulling up. Off of the channel. I haven't vlogged in a minute. I lost everyone behind me though. Oops! Oops! They're all behind. Yeah! Aha! Yeah, I mean, this is all of our first time actually all filming together doing content. Normally I just do, normally I'm just filming solo. That's tough, low-key. I feel like I'm gonna drop my bike.
Put your right foot up.
Oh, what the f-
Make sure to lean left, just slightly. There you go.
Oh! Oh!
Get down, lower yourself, and put your hands on your tank.
That's crazy. We gotta start stunt riding, bro. Can you do that while moving?
I did that shit. I tried to do that shit standing the other day while I was riding. That shit was sketchy as fuck.
What is wrong with you, bro? I need to grab my gear and shit. We're gonna.
We were doing 35 at one point.
Yes! Content! Content! Like, we're gonna go out there, we're just gonna pull over, and then we're gonna, like, film from there. Alright, this is kind of going decent. I mean, to be fair, this is the first time we're ever filming content all together, so it's a little... Look at them go. Everyone's leaving! Man, this is hard to coordinate, man. But I'm glad, you know, I got Dante out here shooting content for the first time. He said that he wanted to start shooting content, so I was like, alright, bet. Here's literally almost everybody that I know that has a bike. Let's go get some. And here we are. I don't know where Dante is. Grillo, Gustav, they out probably way down there. We got Zuck behind. We should have, honestly, we should have parked up at the park and literally gotten like still shots of all the bikes together. But I guess that's it. Like, I guess not. But hey, it's fine. I mean, we could have got like a ton of edits there, but I'm really the only one with the channel. Man, that was a prime opportunity. We just left it there. I was surprised when I pulled up and everyone's bikes are pulled in forwards instead of backed in, but hey, I don't know. Tis what it is, huh? Tis what it is. What's up? Before we do the rollers, yeah. Oh!
I just got up and my fault.
Oh shit!
Whoopsie. Sorry about that. I like got up. Sorry.
Good thing it was in the dirt, bro. Is she...
No, I did it. We can get that out. Sorry about that. I like sat up and the bike unsprung. My fault.
Damn it, bro! You're supposed to be. Oh, I got it! I got it on clip.
It went a little too far. Oh, sorry about that. I'm sorry. Nice. No.
Alright guys, so I hope you're enjoying the video. We got tons of content, crazy stuff. We lost Tucker. We still gotta find him, but the video might end before that. He's got my portable charger in his car, so I don't know what we're doing, but I hope you're enjoying this video. We're gonna have more riding content soon, car content, all the whole nine. You know what's good. We out here on the Blue Channel, mobbing. Oh! Look at him go!
Don't turn your helmet off. Dude, I was just freestyling and I just started standing up.
I guess we'll cut the video here for my moto vlog. Peace, guys.